Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the most important grammar topic, that's the reported speech. Reported speech. The act of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are basically two ways in which a speaker can convey the intended message or idea to the listener. Direct speech or direct narration. Direct speech is the speech inside the quotation marks. It is used to tell or report the exact words of a speaker as it is. Let's see the example. Gopal said to the captain, I want to join the team. Indirect speech or indirect narration. It is the method in which the substance or the idea of the speaker's words is reported without using his actual words. Therefore, we need to report the words spoken by somebody else in our own words. This is called indirect narration. Example, Gopal told the captain that he wanted to join the team. Reporting verb. The first verb part of the sentence that comes before the quotation marks is called the reporting verb. Reported speech. The statement or words spoken by the speaker and which is written in quotation marks is called reported speech. Example, Gopal said to the captain, I want to join the team. Here, said is reporting verb and I want to join the team is reported speech. Now let's see some basic rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. First of all, no inverted commas are used in indirect speech. The comma separating the reporting verb from the reported speech is removed. Third, the indirect speech is introduced by some connectors like that, if, whether, what, where, how, why, etc. depending on whether you want to transform a statement, question or request, etc. into indirect speech. The reporting verb changes according to the sense conveyed by the speech. The tense of the reporting verb remains unchanged. All kinds of sentences turn into assertive statements when we convert it into indirect speech. And other changes in the person, verb forms, time and place expressions, etc. follow. Rules for change in person. All pronouns used in the reported speech are changed according to the following rules. Now let's go through the chart describing first person, second person and third person. Rule number 1. Every first person pronoun used in the reported speech is changed according to the person of the subject of the reporting speech. Let's see one example. He said, I am doing my work. He said that he was doing his work. So here we have converted I into he. Rule number 2. Every second person in the reported speech is changed according to the person of the object of the reporting speech. For example, Ramesh said to me, you are not doing your work seriously. In direct speech, Ramesh told me that I was not doing my work seriously. Rule number 3. No change is made in the third person pronoun. For example, Ram said he works in a factory. In direct speech, Ram said that he worked in a factory. Hope it helped you. Remaining things we will just continue in part 2. Thank you.